What is up, you guys? Here's a quick little video for you. This is a first impression on a new Optavia product for me. I have noticed lately that I have been in not a funk with lean ingredients, wanting to try something new, and sometimes, especially when the weather gets nice as it is here right now, my desire to be outside after work is very strong, and I'm not really in the mood to be in the kitchen cooking too much. So anyway, Optavia offers these. I don't know if you guys know what they are, but they are complete lean and green meals, and this one is the turkey meatball marinara, and this one is the chicken cacciatore. It's a complete meal, comes in a box. I'm gonna open one of these up and show you. Comes in a container. It's a nice hefty portion. I'm gonna tell you right now on the box, they are 10 ounces each, which comes out to 283 grams. This one is the chicken cacciatore, and this one is 290 calories, 15 grams of fat, 15 carbs, 25 grams of protein, guys. And I'm gonna say there's some sodium in there, cholesterol a little bit, saturated fat 1.5 grams. So all you do, according to this box, is you're gonna puncture this film with a fork, or you can peel it back about an inch, it says. Put this in the microwave, heat for 90 seconds, stir it up, and eat. So I am going to be trying this tonight, and I'm going to come back tonight and give you my review, because right now I just had a feeling, so this will be my next one. So in 2 hours, I will see you back here with the full review, but just wanted to show you. I think these are kind of cool. Another great way to be portable, and again, if you're limited with time, or you just don't feel like cooking, these are great to have. They come 6 in a pack, so I have 6 of the chicken cacciatore and 6 of the turkey meatball, and so technically I have 12 lean ingredients here, and I think that is definitely something that I'm gonna definitely enjoy. Hopefully they're good. I have had clients that do use these, and these were the 2 that were recommended. Also, there's chicken and rice and things like that. That also came recommended. So if I like this, I will be investigating some other ones. So stick around. I'll see you in 2 hours. Okay guys, so here we go with the taste test. Wow. Paisley, I love this. This is good. Wait, one more bite. Hold on. Oh my God, guys, this is so good. Sorry, had to let Paisley out. But back to this. Wow. Delicious, delicious. One more bite. Am I gonna keep saying one more bite? All right, so chicken, nice and soft. Sauce, very good. This does not taste like your typical frozen, the Weight Watchers dinners or anything like that. This is really good. The chicken is soft, the pasta, protein pasta, very good. Okay, so guys, I highly recommend this one. This one's delicious. I'm gonna go sit down and eat this. And again, this is a complete lean and green, so I don't have to add anything to this. No, nothing. So I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I also am going to be reviewing the turkey meatballs in another video, and drum roll please. I bought the new chocolate brownies with the yogurt chips. So I will be reviewing that as well. And let's see how that goes tomorrow. Okay? Have a great day. Thanks for watching my review. Stay focused, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.